that highlights the importance of agriculture.
My name is Obala Emmanuel, the founder of Alpha Fresh Poultry Farm in South Sudan, particularly in Eastern Equatorial State, Magui and Torit. Alpha Fresh Poultry Farm started in 2021 as an idea, but in 2022 we have started the project into existence, of which we are producing the poultry product in the state. So we are aiming at providing high quality test meat and eggs to the local market. So in the vision, we are looking at being the leading producer of poultry product in the state. We normally get our raw materials from Uganda, the day-old chicks, the feed, the vaccine, we all get them from Uganda, and at the same time also in Juba. So in the feeding program, sometimes we provide the feed which is locally available in case breeding, because this one also helps in the part of nutrition. People who are buying, they get nutritious product, and then later it will help in building the body. And then another one also, we brought an impact in the side of improving the socio-economical development of the area. People are able to get raw materials, and also people are able to get jobs where they earn a living from there to improve the standard of their living. In this business, we also have challenges that normally face us. One is disease, which normally attack the birds, and then we have also lack of feed, because we know this area we are still lacking the factory which is supposed to produce the feed, and also we are faced with the challenge of inflation and also price
Voices of the soul, Africa.
So in this way, we normally do